BoBo, the Bitcoiner, is back. You know, America may be down, but not out yet. They throw all their budgets onto the military just to ensure they stay almighty. So much so that they neglected the infrastructure like road and highway. Even their train are slower than their European allies. You know, they also neglected the airport, railway station, and all form of transportation. The worst is they neglected their substructure like administration, service system, and the very basic needs of their people. Just look at the poor and homeless people living in the street of California. Just look at the crime committed at Los Angeles, where all the famous shop and departmental stores have to close due to lawlessness. Nevertheless, US is still the economic power of the world. Most of the rich people and wealthy corporations are still in US, as the powerful Wall Street indexes are held in US, like the NasDaq. Stock exchange still influence the world financial direction. Crypto in general still need US market. Unfortunately, when the US crypto market move, the world follows. USA has decided to put the stranglehold on the crypto industry by alleging violations of US securities, accusing exchanges like Binance and Coinbase of misleading the customer, operate unregistered entities, selling unregistered securities, yet refusing to simply define what is security and what is commodity. The Operation Chokepoint 2.0 relies on the executive branch using unreviewable regulatory authority to cripple the crypto industry. The old allegation about the money laundering and only used by a criminal no more hold water. Bitcoin in particular already proved that most of the altcoins will be hard hit as it falls under the securities category, and in time to come will be driven out of US market. So in a way, the crypto Operation Chokepoint will kill most of the altcoins. Bitcoin will be one of the few crypto left standing. Bitcoin is decentralized blockchain and will be classified as commodity, though SEC refused to make clear during the Congress hearing. More importantly, Bitcoin has proven in its 14 years of lifespan, the ecosystem never failed, never skipped a single transaction. Bitcoin was built by the people, for the people, irrespective of race, color, religion, or nationality. Best of all, it cannot be censored, sanctioned, disturbed, stopped, or even hacked. As at this very moment, Bitcoin benefit most for the least developed and developing countries. It It's an alternative for the hegemony of US reserve currency, whose swift exchange almost cover every corner of the globe. Countries without the reserve currency or is sanctioned by the reserve currency has now a breathing alternative to trade with anyone in the world out of the US grasp. Bitcoin ecosystem live outside the US hegemony and is free for the third world if they so choose. Best of all, Bitcoin cannot be stopped. Even if the internet is switched off, now it still can function in the satellite. But even if the internet and satellite is down, not to mention the whole world economy, economically, administratively, functionality, and practically everything will come to a stop and deteriorate, and some system will probably die off. But not Bitcoin. Michael Saylor once described Bitcoin ecosystem as a swarm of bees or a virus let loose. Right? When internet and satellite is down, they simply lay dormant and go to sleep. As soon as you switch back the internet or satellite, 30 years or 10 or 30 years later, even 100 years, the swarm of bees will come alive. Especially the virus will start to spread. Bitcoin is awakened. It does not deteriorate or fade away. The ecosystem will stay from where it was stopped 10 or 30 years before. That's the beauty of computer software. The code is the code. It doesn't change. It doesn't get rusty. 1 plus 1 is still equal to 2. All right? A computer may have deteriorated, but when the software is transferred to a new computer, it will still run like a clockwork. Think about it, my friend. Anything like this ever possible in human history? Now you see the power of Bitcoin as a technology. Despite all the hoo-ha on the SEC's barrage of lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase, Bitcoin is still showing resistance at around $26,000. It may still go down, why not? But once you understand Bitcoin cannot be killed, it will go up in due course. Definitely. It's a matter of time, right? Think about it. Bitcoin can never be killed. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. See you again next time. Bye-bye.